Hi friends, welcome to my channel Excel Lessons, your simplest way to reach excellence in Microsoft Excel. My name is Pradeep. I have over 15 years of experience in teaching Microsoft Excel. So let's see what we are learning today. So let's get started. Hello friends, welcome back to Excel Lessons. In this video, I will show you an interesting date related formula called EOMONTH, which is otherwise known as end of month. The syntax is equal to EOMONTH, and there are two parameters in this. One is a start date and the second parameter is the number of months. So let us see how does this work. For illustration, I am giving a start date here as today. Fine. So from here, let us find out what was the last day of the last month. So even before that, let me show you 0 represents the current month. Okay, let us start the formula here is equal to EO month. See, as per syntax start date, I will select the 11th December and I will freeze it here right now. And if I select -1, okay, that is actually the previous month. If I enter 0, 0 represents the current month. Okay, if I take this, the last month, last day should be 30th November, right? So it is correct. So if I drag the formula down, this month being a December, so the last day of December is 31st December, January, February, and so on and so forth. When do we use such kind of formula? What is the use of this EO month? When do we use EO month formula as such? See, in some of the scenarios, we might be finding out either the fortnight of a month, which is the 15th of every month, which could be fairly easy. And sometimes we may have to find out the last day of every month. In some cases, in leap years, we may not be able to know whether it is 28 days in February or 29 days. So in those cases, EO month becomes very handy. And even otherwise, need not think about the last day of every month, and we can actually combine this EO month within other formula and make a very good nested formula. Hope you like this video. Thank you so much for watching. And for more tips and tricks like this, please do watch my channel, subscribe, share and recommend my channel among your friends and colleagues. Thank you so much once again. See you in the next video.